Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not uploading on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve not uploading on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut and you can click. As you see here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.